Welcome friends, in this video we are going to learn about the screw jack assembly parts. These are the parts we are going to draw in this video. Let's open a software, click a new part, select our corresponding unit millimeter Newton seconds and show the all planes, and select a plane which you want to sketch and make it to the sketch on view. Initially we are going to draw a Tommy bar which is in circular part. So we have to draw a center axis and draw a symmetric sketch here. I just draw a center line with a symmetric sketch to apply the revolve feature. Apply the dimensions as per the drawing to get the accurate shape. Then click OK. Go to the revolve. Now our Tommy bar is created now. Just click OK. Next we are going to draw a remaining parts. Before that we have to make a diamond knurl on a Tommy bar. So that's why we are going to draw a path of the Tommy bar to apply the helical swipe option. So select a mid plane and make it to the sketch on view and draw the center line which is must necessary for a helical swipe option. After drawing the center line, we need to specify the path of helical swipe. So we have to just select a line and draw the line here, which is act as a path for diamond knurling. So just draw a line profile here. Then click OK. Make sure you have a reference to draw the line on cylindrical face. Just click OK. Then move for helical swipe option and select your corresponding line. Now the line does not found here, so just we have to again edit the sketch. Make sure you have a center axis with a path of line. Just draw the center line and draw the path. Just click OK after drawing the required parts. Again use for a helical swipe. Now it will show a pitch value, so we can apply the helical swipe successfully. Just click edit swipe section to define the profile of diamond knurling. Now I just draw a circular profile for a diamond knurling. Increase the pitch value. Just we need a 1 revolution corresponding to the height of Tommy bar. Just click OK. Hide all the planes. Now we are going to make a axis pattern for the helical swipe. Just select the helical swipe and go for the pattern and select a corresponding center axis and specify the number of instances to be produced with the corresponding in between angle. After that we have to completely mirror the patterns which we created here. Just select the patterns and go for mirror option and select a corresponding plane to create a null-like structure. Now the knurling-like structure is created on the Tommy ball. You have to change the color for good appearance. Then we are going to save the component which is purpose for store jack assembly. So don't forget to save the component if you use the parts in assembly. Next we are going to draw the remaining parts. Select a plane which you want to sketch and make it to the sketch on view. Draw the center line for the reference and draw the symmetric profile for applying the revolve feature. Give the dimension for a CSK bolt like structure. Now I achieve the CSK bolt like symmetric sketch. Then go for the revolve option. Now I create a CSK bolt successfully. We have to just make a undercut on the top of the component. Just select a top face and go to the sketch, make it for sketch on view. Here we are going to draw a center rectangle. Then click OK, go to the extrude and create a remove material on the top of CSK bolt to gauge the screw. We have to specify the amount of depth to make on top of the CSK bolt. Then go to the model. You have to apply a chamfer at all the sharp edges and corners. Give the corresponding angle with the distance for the chamfer value. Just hide all the things. Go to the view, apply the different color for good visualization. Then we are going to save the component at the required location for the purpose of assembly in future. Then we are going to draw the washer. Go to the new part and click the use default templates and click OK. Then select a millimeter Newton second part solid as a unit. Show the all planes and select a plane which you want to sketch and make it for sketch on view. And draw the center line which is must necessary for applying the revolve feature, because in this video we are draw the three parts. All the three parts are circular components, so we have to follow the same procedure for drawing the center axis and draw the symmetric sketch to make a revolve. So now we have to refer this dimension for washer. I just draw the circle initially, then click OK. Give the corresponding radius value here for the circle. Go to the extrude and specify the amount of extrusion thickness. Apply the chamfer value for 45 degree. After drawing the chamfer, then click OK. Make sure you have extruded the correct amount of thickness for the washer. Then select the top face of the washer to create a hole wizard. Then specify the location of hole which you want to going to create. Then we have to specify the type of hole is to be generated on the washer. Now we are going to make a CSK head like undercut on the washer. So we have to initially specify the location for the hole to be generated. Then we have to select a type of hole to be need. I just need a tap hole here, so I just select a required tap such as M12 tap, then click OK. Now the washer is also successfully created here. Now we create all the parts which is required for screw jack assembly. We will meet in a complete screw jack assembly modeling in next video. Welcome friends.